Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be vlogging, so yeah. And basically today I'm going to be going to Knott's Berry Farm with my family. So yeah, let's get started with the vlog. Food. So I basically just got an omelet and sausages. So yeah, I'm gonna eat that and I'll see you guys later. So we just finished eating and I'm so mad. So I dented my water bottle. Wait, come on. I'm so mad. When I dropped it, it literally was so loud. But so I'm pretty sure we're gonna head to Knott's Berry Farm now. So I will see you guys in the park or there or something. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so we've made it here. We're in the park now. And we're gonna head to the anti-gravity house, right?
Yeah, I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's something like that. I remember it as a kid, and it's pretty cool.
So yeah, she used to come here a lot as a kid, so she knows everywhere around. So I'm gonna see you guys there, and I don't know what I'm walking into, but I'll see you guys there. Bye. Yeah, we never found it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go on the Pony Express. It's this ride. It's kind of hard to explain, but basically, so. You're kind of just like on a pony. Okay. Whoa. Ride we're going to be going on later. It's basically that. Okay, guys. So we just got off the ride, and apparently they changed it a lot more than last time. That's kind of concerning. So much scarier. No, but last time it was like this much of the ride and that's it. But they changed it to be like all of that. Okay, so we're gonna be going on. Whoa, I almost just died. We're gonna be going on bumper carts now. So right here.
This is it.
Okay, so I will see you guys in the next clip. Okay guys, so that was super fun. As you guys saw, I was crushing my dad the whole time. I don't know what ride we're gonna go on now. Okay, so we're gonna go on this one. I don't know what it's called though. Sorry, we have to talk close. But basically it's the one that goes like, see that? Like it kind of goes like that the whole time and then goes down. Guys, after the ride, so. Alright guys, that was super duper duper scary. So basically, it doesn't look that scary. Like, it's just like that. But really, it feels like you're about to like tip over and just fall off. But basically like that the whole time. But there's like this drop, which from here, not on the ride, it doesn't look that bad. But on the ride, it feels like it's like a drop like that. Alright guys, so now we are going to go on this Jaguar ride. I don't know. Wait, I don't think we know what it's called. Guys, when we are in line. Michael Jackson. What? Michael Jackson. Guys, so we are going on to the what's it called, the water ride now. Not the one we saw at the beginning, but it's a different one. It's like a log kind of. So we're walking to that right. So we're walking to that right now, and I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so change of plans, the ride was closed. So we're going on the mine ride thing. But so yeah.
Time moves so much slower.
You guys can barely see, so sorry about that. Oh, right, you can't even see me.
Take a look right up. That's the room. We're not hanging for gold flakes here in the water. We're fishing for those little blind fish you see down there. They ain't never seen the light of day.
People are creepy looking.
Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of more cream.
That was scary. It got scarier once I stopped recording, so... Why do I feel like there's going to be a drop any minute? But, I mean, I know there's not because we don't have seatbelts on. But, yeah. Alright guys, so we just got to the restaurant. This is not a chicken restaurant. Okay, so I am getting the mac and cheese and I have a little Sprite here. Okay, so all the Visco girls, please don't come at me. But I really hate paper straws. They just always break whenever I'm using them and then they always get like so gross and I just don't like them, so I'm sorry to all the Visco girls as I wear a scrunchie. But so I will see you guys when we get our food probably. And yeah. So I just got my food and it is very cheesy. And I'm gonna eat it and I'm really scared, guys. Alright. Are you ready?
There you go.
That's good. Okay. So I'll see you guys. I'm done eating. And yeah. We just got home and literally the car ride was like 2 hours and it just felt so long. It was probably like, it felt like really, really long. But so, yeah, it's been a couple hours and I'm about to start editing a couple YouTube videos. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all of your wonderful friends. And I'll see you in my next video.